Today we're going to look at an introduction to Goldwork. We're going to look at some easy ways to get a Goldwork picture very quickly, and the first technique that we're going to look at this morning is a basic technique that will add an outline to any design that you choose. The designs can be very simple, and what I've done here is I've prepared this particular design, which we're going to work our way through in a moment, but also available is this lovely little flower here, and we've got some flowers with a simple butterfly. And if you notice, they are all done with just a couched thread, but you can also make book covers. So here's a slightly it's more complicated, the design, or it looks like that, but again, it's general couching. This time I've added in some different cords. Here's my paint, some beads, my long stitches, and I did this book by doing it this way, except I made a rectangle, finished it all off, and then that has been glued onto a pre-bought book.